Well, first, I will teach you the derivation of constant. And take note about this one, class. When you derive constant, that is always equal to 0. Again, when you derive any numbers or constant, that would be equal to 0. You say, for example, look at the example below. So we have there the derivation of positive 4. Positive 4 is a number, so therefore, the derivation of that is 0. What about derivation of pi? Still 0, because pi, we know that pi is equal to the irrational number. That is why derivation of pi is also 0. Again, just always remember that when you derive any constant, that is always equal to 0. Well, next is the power rule. Now, take note, guys, this is very important when it comes to derivation. The power rule. You have to understand how to operate power rule. If you understand this one, you can understand all discussion about derivation. Okay, so how to operate power rule? Okay, guys, all you have to do is you have to multiply this exponent to its base and just minus 1 the exponent. So look at this one. The derivation of ax to the power of n is equal to n times ax raised to the power of n minus 1. Okay, so to understand more about this, let's have this example. Look, derivation of 3x to the power of 4. So as what I said, just multiply this exponent to its base and subtract 1 from the exponents. So look at this one. So what will happen? So 4 times 3, x to the power of 4 minus 1. So 4 times 3 is 12. Then 4 minus 1 is 3. So therefore, the derivation of 3x to the power of 4 is 12x to the power of 3. So again, guys, just remember those things. The constant derivation and the power rule. So now, guys, let's solve this one together. So again, we have to derive the 2x cubed plus 8. So first thing to do, we have to derive first 2x cubed, then 8. Okay? So again, guys, as what I said, just remember always the constant rule and the power rule. Okay, so how to do that one? First, the derivation of 2x cubed. So that is, I will show you the solution. So 3 times 2x to the power of 3 minus 1. Then this one, the constant of 8, that is 0. Okay, now let's continue. 3 times 2, that is 6. Then copy x, 3 minus 1, that is 2. And 6x squared is our final answer.